Hi dear children, good morning. I welcome you all for today's class. Already I said composition. Today we are going to write the composition. I get ready with your composition note, children. Already I said in the last previous video to get ready with your composition note. So today we are going to write the composition diary entry. What is the topic? Diary entry. Okay, diary entry you have for this term. So get ready with your composition note. Otherwise you copy down in your rough note and you copy down in your composition note later. Okay. So diary entry. Diary is a kind of personal document. What is that? Diary is a kind of personal document. Personal document is very, very important. It records an individual's account of a day of his or her life. Okay. So it records an individual account of a day of his or her life. Diary is a kind of a personal document. It records an individual account of a day of his or her life. It is a way to keep a track of your past and think about your future. So this is diary entry. It's a personal document and it's a record. Okay, it's a record and individual account. And format we have for the diary entry. So you just see here a good diary contains place, day. No need to copy down these things in your composition note. Okay, first listen. After that, after I say, you can write in the composition note. Don't copy down these things in your composition note. Place, day, date and time. A good diary contains place, day, date and time. So first place, for example Salem, okay, you have to write this place left hand side, okay, left hand side. Place you have to mention left hand side. Next, day. Day to be written in a complete word. Monday. Okay, not like mon, M-O-N. Okay, this is wrong. This is correct one. So, date, day to be written in complete words. Monday, M-O-N-D-A, Monday. Not like short form. Clear? So, next, date. Date 20 January, fully January 2021. So, this has to be in the left hand side. Left hand side. Okay? Next, time. Time 8:30 a.m. to be written on the right hand side. So, time you have to write at the right hand side. To be written on the right hand side. So, a good diary, this is the format of diary entry, children. A good diary contains place, day, date and time. Place, it should be in the left hand side. Okay. Day, fully you have to write. No short form. Okay. So, date must be in the 20 January. So, for example, 20 January 2021. It should be in the left hand side. Time 8:30 a.m. to be written on the right hand side. Here this is the format for the diary entry. And diary entry, so things to remember, I will tell you. Just listen carefully. Diary entry is always written in first person because it's a personal account, no? Personal document, no, dear children? So, this diary entry is always written in first person, I, okay, or we. Tense, which tense we have to use for this? We can we can use simple past, present perfect and future tense. Okay, we can use simple past tense, and present perfect tense and future tense. Content, we can begin diary entry with general sentences describing the day, momentary feelings or personal experiences. We can begin diary entry with general sentences describing the day, momentary feelings or personal experience. Thoughts and feelings should be clearly put in an organized way. Word limit is 80 to 100 words. Okay. Word limit is what? 80 to 100 words. The diary is a personal document. Clear? So, I taught you the definition of diary entry and format we have seen. Now, you get ready with your composition note. Now, we are going to write a diary. Okay. So, diary entry is a small, again I'll tell you the definition, listen carefully. A diary entry is a small day-to-day account of your life in a diary or a journal, preferably a personal one. It's very, very important. It's a personal one. It usually comprises of the date, a salutation to your diary, a description of the day and ends with your name. Okay. So, diary entry, get ready with your note, composition note. Now we are going to write the diary entry. Already you know how to write the composition in your composition note. Okay, this is not the new one you are writing. Already two composition we have written. So one more time I'll tell you. Okay, so take a new page, this page, right hand side. Here in the center you can write the topic, diary entry heading, and put today's date. Okay, date here and day here, everything. And here this side, this is the composition note. Okay, so this side you have to write diary entry, and this side you have to write the question. Question is in this side, left hand side, and diary we are going to write in this side. Clear? Diary entry. So the question I am writing here. You met your old friend. You met your old friend in the market. Old friend in the market today. After 5 years. Write a diary entry. Write a diary entry expressing your thoughts. And expressing your thoughts. Okay. Thoughts on the meeting. Thoughts and emotions on the meeting. On the meeting. This question should be in this side, left hand side. Okay. So you met your old friend in the market today after 5 years. Write a diary entry expressing your thoughts and emotions on the meeting. So here, this side, 20 January date, I am writing 20 January 2021. Dear diary, I was, the next line, okay. So 20 January 2021, the next line, dear diary, and the next line in the middle, I was absolutely shocked to see Sunil standing beside me, in the stationery store today. We used to be good friends when I stayed. We used to be good friends when I stayed in a complex. We went to school together for 5 years. After Dad's transfer, I had to change my school and move to Mumbai while Sunil continued to live in Delhi. The continuation I am writing here. When he told me that he too had moved to Mumbai for further studies. I was not happy. I was happy to think that we could be together again. I can now call him home and we can play football cricket, and even study together. Study together. I may have the next line. If you don't have enough line there, page there, you turn the next page and continue. Okay. So I may have made new friends after moving to Mumbai. But Sunil was always remain a close and special friend. Here for name not necessary to give, okay, it's a personal document only, no? Name not necessary. So this is the example, I have given here. So neatly you just copy down in your composition note. If you don't have enough space there, you can turn the next page and continue, okay. So thank you. The next video will see the supplementary, keep learning. Thank you.